how to see or find out your password in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the ways to find out your password in Roblox is launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the More section at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. As you tap on Settings, select on Account Info, and as you tap on Account Info, you'll be able to see the option of password over here. So you can see the option of password. You can just tap on it and see your password. Now next way to find out your password is if you have saved in your Google accounts. You can simply launch any of your Google services. I'm going to launch Play Store and then simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select on Manage your Google account. As you tap on Manage your Google account, drag the options to Security and tap on Security. Now swipe down to the very end and here you can see the option of Manage Passwords, so select on that. You can just scroll down and here you can see the option of Roblox. Now you can just tap on it and you can view or find out your password in Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.